How to turn off voice control on iPhone. To turn off voice control on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Here, you will be able to access all the primary settings of your phone. Then, scroll down a little and find the Accessibility option here. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, you will be able to personalize your iPhone in ways that work best for you. After that, scroll down. Go to the Voice Control option. This feature allows you to use your voice to control your iOS device even when you are on calls. Toggle off the Voice Control option. As you can see, the Voice Control option is turned off. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off voice control on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.